another Western North Carolina adventure. It's Sunday morning here at the Rod Run. We have spent 3 days here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Spring Rod Run, and we've had a great time. We've had beautiful weather. Today looks like it's going to be pretty as well. But you can see everyone's packing up, getting ready to go home. So we're going to ride around, see what we can see what's left out on the strip today. Maybe do a little sightseeing in the Great Smoky Mountains before we head home. So we hope you've enjoyed this 3-part video series of the 2021 Spring Rod Run. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more Western North Carolina adventures with Terry and Eddie. As you can see, there's still quite a few hot rods left on the strip, even though it's Sunday. But for the most part, people are loading up and heading home. We've had a great 3 days here in Pigeon Forge, and we'll see you in September for the fall 2021 Rod Run. Before returning home, we decided to explore Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. This scenic loop one-way trail is 6 miles long and can be accessed at light number 8 in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. next part of the motor trail brings us to Grotto Falls parking lot. From this parking lot, you can hike 1.4 miles to reach Grotto Falls and another 6.7 miles to Mount LeConte. We were excited to see the llama trailer, which means that the llamas are here today packing up fresh linens and supplies to take to the top of Mount LeConte Lodge. Even though we didn't get to see the llamas in person, we hope that we get to see them at our next visit here at Roaring Fork Motor Trail. The wildflowers here in the park are absolutely gorgeous. The dogwoods are in full bloom, and there's just fields and fields of the trillium. So we really enjoyed looking at all the different wildflowers here on the trail. We end our adventure here at Ellie's Mill, an antique and general store with lots of goodies and things that represent the Great Smoky Mountains. We've had a great 3 days here in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area. As we head home, we would like to thank you for viewing this video and remind you to like and subscribe for more Western North Carolina adventures.